welcome back. Here's the next vlog coming for you. Excuse the way I look. I'm exhausted. I'm hurting as usual and trying to get stuff done, so makeup and hair are not a priority right now. But I'm going to flip the camera around and show you everything that we've been doing this weekend. I meant to show you the process of us moving in, but I was so busy I totally forgot to film it. So we've got our furniture in the house now, a lot of it. So I will go through and show you everything that we've done. Here comes the truck with more sand to be delivered to the driveway. Hopefully they're going to put it in that low spot right down there. I don't know. Let's see where he's going to put it. It's a big truckload of dirt. I was hoping they were ready for gravel. Well, it's getting flatter. Looks like he's really flattening it out here. Now he's just finished putting the grate over by the driveway, and they're going to be putting shale down next, which is like slate almost. It's heavier though, thicker. It's not as porous, and they'll lay that down. Then we just have to ride over it a bit, flatten it out. There's a grade of shale underneath all this sand, and it's been there for decades. So that's why our driveway is so nice and hard and we don't sink in our driveway, except for that spot right there where they put the new sand. But they brought some of this sand in today, and they are grading it out right now. And the 92-year-old over there is the one, Harry, he's the one who's shoveling. Can you believe it? 92 years old. He says, do you have a shovel I can use? I was afraid to give it to him. He asked for a broom too. I said, you don't need to sweep. He wants to get the dirt away from the building and the concrete because he wants to lay all that shale down and then lay the crushed concrete on top, which is like gravel. So that's what's going on here right now, and I'm just continuing to unpack and put things away so that I have space in the house tomorrow, because the trucks come up with our furniture tomorrow. Pat took the day off today and tomorrow down in the city. He's working on our house there. We found our neighbor's daughter. She graduated from high school a couple of years ago now, and she's getting her first apartment and needed furniture, so we've given her all of our end tables, coffee table. We gave her a chair, and kitchen table from up here is going to her, and all sorts of stuff. So she'll have lots of, and a futon. So she'll have lots of furniture. But I'm sorry if I got off frame there for a minute. I was watching him and not through my camera. But anyway, she'll have a lot of furniture to start off her life living on her own. It's good furniture. It's just old, and I'm ready for new, you know. So she's alone. She's been alone, coming here regularly, and there's a whole flock, gaggle. I know it's a gaggle of geese. What are turkeys? A flock, herd. Anyway, there was 8 or 10 of them here a couple weeks ago, and she keeps coming back. First it was 2, now it's just her. She's hearing me talk. She just saw me move. There she goes. Oh, here she comes. Hmm. Oh, Diesel, shh. There she goes. Diesel, shh. Diesel, your kitchen, as you can see, we're still waiting on the cabinets. That's something that is not finished yet. I'm waiting for my cabinet over here so I can put my bakeware away. And I need some rewiring done above there so I can close my cupboard door. I did get the new, some of the new, actually I've got them all. I just have to pick the other ones up at the post office. The door handles for my cupboards, and this is what they look like. They're real sleek and modern looking. I really like them. I didn't want to go with the T ones that we had before, the round tube looking ones with the T, because they catch on my clothes and everything and they hurt when you run into them. So I got these, and I think they're going to look really pretty on. These are the big ones for the doors, or the drawers, the larger drawers. Then I've got a smaller one coming for the cupboards, which should be about, oh, I think it's about 6 inches. So it'll be about this long. Rather, you know, like 2/3 of this, maybe. Almost. So, anyway, that's that with the kitchen. Again, we don't have our other cabinet, so we're still waiting on that to be finished and our valance to go in and everything. So, but we did get our furniture in. This was our dining room set that we received from Pat's mother before she passed away. It's a beautiful walnut set, and I really like the wood. It's really cool the way it looks. It's hard to see with this on here. I'm going to back it up for a minute. But you can see everything is kind of diamond shaped, and it's got little inlaid flowers, actually triangular shapes. I'm not sure how they did that with the grains of wood, but it's just beautiful. I mean, even this. Isn't that cool? So, unfortunately though, I cover it up with a table runner. Let me just put that back real quick and we'll move on. Okay, so we got that. We're going to be buying new chairs. We just haven't gotten to that yet. I'm deciding on whether I want something leather or on casters or what I'd like. So we'll see. And then in the living room, we got rid of a lot of our furniture. I did want to hang on to my recliner. So that's a recliner. It looks like a wingback chair, which is one thing that I really like. And it's kind of nice, but it does recline. So and this chair is really comfortable. We kept that. We did get rid of a couch. We threw it away. And then another recliner we gave to my son because he loved it. This was part of my living room furniture, these two pieces. This one was from my family room. So we've kind of combined them. Right now I've got my tables from my living room in here, but I really am not looking... I'm not liking all the wood. I mean, we got wood up here. We're going to have wood on our railing when we get it done, and galvanized pipe. And then this is going to be wood too. I don't think so. I think I might get a glass table for there. Then we took the wood stove out. That I think I have a little bit of video of Pat trying to move it. He had trouble with his tractor though with lifting, so he thinks his fluid was low. But anyway, we got that out of there. So the subfloor is showing. We got to get the guy in to put in the fireplace, and then we can hook our television up above the fireplace. This is our bedroom TV, and right now we've got a DVR, or not a DVR, satellite dish, but we're going to get rid of that and go with cable. I have my mother's antique tea cart here, which I really love. She wanted me to have that after she passed away. And this was, I don't know if it was her mother's or it was on my dad's side. I think it was a great-grandmother's. And I've been hanging artwork up all over the place. We did get some doors up. We got this basement door up, which is really a good thing, although we don't have our latches and handles yet, as you can see. I almost fell down the stairs the other day. I was coming out of the bathroom in the dark and came around the corner, but when I shut the light off, it went pitch black. My eyes didn't adjust, and I came around the corner and almost walked right down these basement stairs instead of down the hallway, which would have been a problem. So we finally have a door on our bathroom, no more blue shower curtain. Again, I got to stain them and everything. I'll be doing that next week, most likely. This room's still a bomb. It's trashed. There's plumbing supplies in here. There's paintings and stuff. There's my light for filming videos, all sorts of stuff in here. So that hasn't changed. And then I got more artwork on the walls over here. Oops, I gotta let the doggy in. Poor Diesel. I decided to hang a lot of my outdoorsy kind of stuff up. I put this up in the hall. I've got, this is from us whitewater rafting, our family. This was the bear painting I did, the black bear. Got to turn this way. That I did a couple years ago. There's a video on that. I can link it in the description. And then this one, which was a gouache painting I did and affixed it to a birch panel. And it worked out just fine. I did put these berry paintings over here in my laundry room. Thought they'd look good in here. And that's it so far. The rest of the stuff is stuff that I had from before. This Tea for Two thing and this thing that I had. And that up there. These were in my kitchen, so I put them in here. So that takes us all the way around. Let me show you upstairs what we've done. And I've got a lamp sitting on the steps that's not going to stay there. It needs to go up the stairs. There's a lot of different things going on. I have to go home today to work at home because I got to finish packing. We're almost done. But then this was done. We got 2 of the 3 barnwood doors up, and they're looking really good. I like the way they turned out. I still have to clean the glass off, though. I have a little bit of stain on here that I got to work to get off. But they roll real nice, and they are set to go right over the doors, and the bumpers are set so that they cover everything perfectly. And then that goes back. This one, the bumpers aren't on yet on the bathroom. I believe you've seen the vanity, and we don't have our closet done yet. But I'm going to do some pull-open French doors, probably in this style with frosted glass. We did not get this door up because we need to move that sconce over still. And then in our bedroom, we got our stuff from home in here. My bedroom comforter, which I missed, my down comforter. I love that. It's great year-round, summer and winter. And my armoire, I got to bring my TV from downstairs up here because it's my bedroom TV, and that goes over my armoire so we can watch it while we're laying down. We don't watch a lot of TV in bed, but if we're sick or something, then we do. And I've been putting clothes away. So there's stuff all over the place, and those are packed so I can take them home, or sitting there so I can put them in my suitcase to take with me when I go back to the city. And this is an antique desk that my great-grandfather converted from an old radio. It was an old radio. You can see the hole where the antenna used to come out, but he converted it to a desk. Put this in there, put this pull-out glass piece in here, that kind of thing. This was an old book of my father's. I got to get rid of a lot of that stuff, and I've got to do some refinishing work because there's some water staining on this, like right over here. I'm hiding it with a lamp right now. So I believe that's pretty much everything that's gone on. So this furniture will all end up going to my basement when we finish our basement, and we're going to be buying new furniture to go in here. I'm probably going to do a sectional, and I may keep my leather recliner up here, and then those 2 pieces and the tables will go downstairs. I'm thinking of doing a lazy boy recliner, and then I'm going to insert a photo of what we're doing under the steps over there. Those blue chairs are going to go. I'm not sure if I'm going to put them up here. I want to refinish them, change the cushions to something else, and I need to make them more plush because they're a little too hard in the center, and like the springs are wearing down or something. I don't know. But anyway, I'll insert a photo here of what we're going to be doing under the steps so that you can see that. And then I believe that that is it for today. We've been doing a lot. We're putting a mailbox up. I've got my nightstands for my bedroom set in here because they match this bed, which goes with my bedroom furniture, but it was a queen size and we use a king. So I have to figure out what I can do with those. I think I may put one of them in my reading area down the hall there. They won't fit in this room. I may put another one in the corner over there. And then I got those little birdies to hang up on my window there. I just need to put a nail up and hang it. But they're balanced right now on the window ledge. What else? Oh, Pat's putting up a mailbox right now out by the road because they won't deliver anything to my house. And I just got another text message saying that I need to pick up 7 packages at the post office. And then, oh, also this railing. You're probably wondering, when are they going to change this railing? There's just so much flipping stuff that we're busy doing all the time that the railing is one of the last things we're probably going to get done. I would think that's going to be done later in the summer. We got to get my art studio done too, and I'm not sure what's going to come first. So, but I think we are going to go ahead with the galvanized pipe underneath with a wood handrail at the top. And then those things are all going to be boxed in and stained the same color as everything else in here. So that's pretty much it, you guys. So remember, be courageous, paint with wild abandon, and most of all, be kind to each other. Take care, everybody.